Now, in the battleground of Rajasthan, where many Congress and BJP workers have been denied tickets, surprisingly, here's Rajasthan's Revenue Minister Hema Ram Chaudhary, who has alleged that he was forced by Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi to contest the assembly elections.
Even as the BJP and Congress in Rajasthan are facing strong rebellion, leaders who have turned their backs against their own party for being denied tickets. Here is one leader who has alleged that he was forced by Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi to contest the elections from the Gudmalni constituency in Barmer.
ये बात सही है, मेरी चुनाव लड़ने की इच्छा नहीं थी, लेकिन कार्यकर्ताओं की और पार्टी का आग्रह था, उसको ठुकरा नहीं सकता।
तो ये भी सुना जा रहा है कि राहुल गांधी का आपके पास फोन आया, उन्होंने कोई आपसे मान मनोहर की, ऐसी कोई बात है?
नहीं, उन्होंने यही आदेश दिया कि चुनाव लड़ना है।
State Revenue Minister Hema Ram Chaudhary, who had gone into hiding a day before filing of nomination papers for the Rajasthan Assembly polls drew to a close, claims that he wanted Barmer district head Madan Kaur to contest the elections instead of him.
चुनाव खूब लड़े हैं, इसलिए नहीं भी लड़े तो पार्टी नए चेहरे को अगर चुनाव लड़े तो ज़्यादा खुशी होगी मुझे, और मैं तो चाहता भी हूँ कि नया चेहरा कोई मैदान में आए, और हम हमेशा चुनाव लड़ते रहेंगे तो फिर नए लोगों को कब मौका मिलेगा।
But locals claim that the leader is known for slipping into instances of political theatrics. As only last month he had tendered his resignation after the ambitious Barmer oil refinery was shifted from Leelala to Pachpadra.
जिस तरह से इस रिफाइनरी को लेकर के यहाँ पर वातावरण माहौल बनाया जा रहा है, जिस तरह से यहाँ बताया जा रहा है, उससे मुझे काफ़ी दुख हुआ, पीड़ा हुई। इस वजह से मैंने यही उचित समझा कि मैं इस जिम्मेदारी के पद से हट जाऊँ।
But even then, the leader was quick to withdraw his resignation on the insistence of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. With reports of rebellion inside the party, and now with claims of being pressurized into contesting the polls coming from this minister, political drama has taken centre stage in poll-bound Rajasthan. Bureau Report, Times Now.